this, we're speaking about the all or none principle, and I talked about what that is, right? It's this feature or characteristic of action potentials such that they must fire with the same amplitude, with the same duration, with the same intensity, as long as that threshold stimulus was met, okay? Even if we had a weak stimulus, if we had a weak stimulus here from resting, we'd generate the same action potential. If we had a quick or short or single stimulus, would generate the very same action potential. If we had a strong signal, we would generate the very same action potential. So they are all or none, okay? Now the size of the stimulus will not affect the duration or the amplitude of the action potential, right? And again, I keep reiterating this, but that's because these voltage gated channels are dependent on the voltage. So they're going to be controlled by what the voltage is. Okay. And so just to graphically compare these here, we have graded potentials, which are small and insignificant. We have an action potential here. This is from a threshold stimulus. And when we say a threshold stimulus, this was a stimulus that brought the membrane potential exactly to -55, okay? Let's say we get a supra-threshold stimulus. Let's say we get a really large stimulus that bumps the membrane up maybe to 70, right? To, not 70, to -50. Let's say -50, -40, -30. That's a supra-threshold stimulus. It's way above -55. As you can see here, we will generate the very same action potential, okay? So please be careful with wording. I've seen students get tripped up saying that the action potential is going to be bigger, it's going to be longer. Please drive it home that an action potential will always be the same duration and time, same amplitude. It will always go to +30.